In the shadows of the Skyshield, where that's a light doesn't dare, lives a feline what they call Catboy, middle up beyond compare. Raised a street urchin in the depths of the night. He's a thief with talents, but only fox swim out of sight. Catboy, Catboy, der Katzenjunge, a master of the scale, but in this spotlight he loses all his feel. Mit der Beatmnis vorkommt und der Love what's a chance. His life's a real ride, it's his dangerous dance. Once he played with Anima, the spirit of the sun. Now he's married to Bovinia, a minotaur, the one. Two children they've got, but the fault can't comprehend. Monstrous, aberrations, there is family to defend. Catboy, Catboy, der Katzenjunge, a master of the scale, but beneath the surface the truth lies. With a prophecy looming of his demise, he'll fight tooth and claw to defy the skies. Messenger chicken, bearer of fate, opens his path to an elevated state. Immortality beckons, but at that cost. It's his cat and mouse game who's truly lost. Catboy, 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 der Katzenjunge, a legend in his own right. In the dark of the last sun, he'll continue his fight for the Menschenland im